Hey guys, welcome to week 3. Awesome. So week 3 we have two assignments. We have one of the ones is the same one that is being carried from week 2 is you are revising your research question based on the feedback that you get from me. So that is just, so if you have revised, like I said last week, if you are revising it more, that is only benefiting you more to get a more specific question for your literature review. And so here is your topic, the discussion board. The rubric is exactly the same as last week. You have to do one revision by the end of this week. Okay, so you're getting points to finish one revision by the end of this week. I would strongly suggest more than one, but one revision by the end of this week. And the second thing you have is your quiz from your chapter 2, which is your assignment 1. And here is the outline, the PowerPoint, the video. Here is the Google Doc, that is the Zoom meeting Google Doc. So when you open it up, you're going to see a number of times. Let me adjust the screen. You're going to see a number of times, number of days that you can do it. You need to sign up for one time. That is just one time within these 2 weeks to discuss your research question with me and any questions you have about the course with me. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So once again, this is chapter 2 outline, the PowerPoint, the video, and your assignment is a quiz. This is your only quiz for the whole semester. Your other assignments are not quizzes. It requires a respondent lockdown browser. That means that you will not be able to access anything else while you're taking your assignment. Here is the rubric for the discussion board. You have to have at least one revision done by Sunday 11:30 p.m. and here is your Zoom link. This link will also be there in week 4. You do not have to sign up right now. You can wait and see what the situation is, then sign up. However, I wanted to give it to you so that you have it. Some people like to sign up quicker because they want a time slot that works best for you. I've tried to keep some different ones and more of the evening ones so that we can have a better, like you can find a time that works for you. All right, that is all for your Watch Me First for week 3. Best of luck. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask and post on the GroupMe. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you.